Hello, students of class 12th. I welcome you in today's lecture. In today's lecture, I am going to give you some important short answer type questions that you have to write within 30 words. These are the important questions of your lesson, A Girl with a Basket. Today I am giving you the questions, and in my next lectures I shall give you the answers of these questions. But before that, you have to find out the answer by your own and write answers to each of these questions in your copy. When I am giving you the answers, then you check your answers, and wherever correction is required, please do it. So the questions are: first question, what did the writer do to know about the real condition of the people of India? Second, why did the children descend like locusts on the writer? Third, why did the author not like to buy the basket of the little refugee girl? Fourth, what forced the writer to buy the little girl's basket? Fifth, what did the author say to Pandit Nehru? Sixth, what one reason did Mr. William C. Douglas give Pandit Nehru for having fallen in love with India? This is a very, very important question. Seventh, what were the children selling at a railway station according to the writer? Why were they doing so? And eighth question, why did millions of people leave Pakistan for India? Students, the answer of all these questions are present in the explanation given by me in previous lectures. Kindly go through it once again and you will get the answer, and then write it down in your copies. Now the next is fill in the blanks. Some important fill in the blanks I have given just for. Fill in the blanks can come from any part of the lesson, so you have to be prepared. It will be as follows. The first one, the people of India have a dash for independence. In this fill in the blanks, you have to fill the correct word given according to your lesson. Second, the platforms were dash with people. Third, my routine of dash with the people was interrupted. Fourth, the children dash baskets were sons and daughters of the refugee. Now here we come to the end of our lesson, A Girl with a Basket. Students, I have come to know that some of you are not able to follow my lecture given in your group as well as on YouTube. Why you are confused, I am not able to know? Because the group which you have made, that is science group, arts group and commerce group, I am sending or I am uploading my daily lectures in those groups also along with YouTube. Some students have questioned that madam Hindi में समझा दीजिए. So for that I shall tell you, go through my lecture completely. In my every lecture, each stanza and each paragraph of the lesson is explained in English as well as in Hindi also. I will repeat, in English as well as in हिंदी। मैंने अपने सभी लेक्चर में जो स्टैंजाज हैं पोएम के और जो पैराग्राफ हैं लेसन के, उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन इंग्लिश में किया है और शब्द वर्ड बाय वर्ड, मतलब प्रति एक एक शब्द हिंदी में भी उसका अनुवाद मैंने बोला है। तो आप बच्चों ध्यान से मेरे लेक्चर्स को, जो प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स हैं, उसको एक बार फिर से सुनिए और देखिए कि आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। यदि फिर भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो मैं एक बार आपको फिर से अपने पुराने लेक्चर्स दे दूँगी। आपके ग्रुप में सारे लेक्चर्स हैं, चेक कर लीजिए, उसको खोलिए, ओपन करके उसको पूरा सुनिए। उसमें लिखा हुआ भी है, रिटन पार्ट को आपको अपने कॉपी में नोट करना है और जो मैंने बोला है उसको सुन कर के ध्यान से, तब आप अपने पूरे लेसन को समझिए। तो इस लेसन में इतना ही आज के लिए। थैंक यू।